Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we need to do first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. And the next one, we can use about the power rule of the derivative. So for this one, we have y equals to x to the power of n. Later that we can do first the derivative of this one, and we have ns to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply the formula in here, and this one that should be like this. So this one that is about 8, this one that is about b. So we have like this. Next, first the derivative of x to the power of number 3. So we put number 3 gone here. So this one we have 3x number 3 minus 1. So that is about 3x squared. First the derivative of x, we have number 1. So we have only number 2. This one we have e to the power of x. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.